In today's tutorial, we will learn how we can create tasks in Google Tasks for DocuSign documents. For this, let me just select DocuSign as our trigger. Then choose New Document as trigger event. So now I'm going to select an existing connection and click on Link Account to establish the connection. Next, choose Sent as a status. Now in steps, we have to create a tasks in Google Tasks. For that, select Google Tasks. So now I'm going to select an existing connection and click on Link Account to establish the connection. Choose Task List. Add Tasks Title with the help of DocuSign App Data. Once we are done, the journey is ready. Now click on Save Changes and Start Journey. To check our output, let's go to DocuSign. We sign a new document. Now I'll just upload the document. And click on Continue. Now add the details and signature. Next, we have to add recipient's name and email address. Now click on Send. Let me go back to our journey to check the journey execution. Yes, as you can see, the journey got executed successfully. Now let's go to Gmail. As you can see, a new task has been created as per the document status. In this way, we can create journey to create tasks in Google Tasks for DocuSign documents. I hope you like this tutorial. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.